Hello friends, welcome back on the Crypto MK channel. Welcome all you on the Crypto MK. So guys, as you know that I came with new projects to review on it with you. So guys, today my project is CoinDefi Finance. You can check it out. मैं सबसे पहले रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा जो व्यूअर्स मेरे नए हैं वो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दें और लाइक और शेयर सब्सक्राइब कमेंट्स करें। थैंक यू। बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए आज का जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो स्टार्ट करते हैं। CoinDefi Finance, the next generation yield form on Binance Smart Chain, anti-whale, harvest, lockup, wallet forms, start block. So guys, forming countdown start हो चुका है 3 days 24 hours 30 minutes and seconds. So guys, you can check it out in 3 days on the PancakeSwap. Also it will be listed on the PancakeSwap. So here you can learn more on it. Farm and staking, you can unlock your wallet here and you can stock and farm it from here. So total value locked जो है $3,337.4 है. So here are the some announcement from the DeFi, CoinDefi. So you can check it out from also the Twitter link I will give in the description. Good news, you can now buy a coin on your website. ये लिंक दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे आप इसको बाय कर सकते हैं। इन्होंने गुड न्यूज़ दी है, यू कैन बाय कॉइन आफ्टर 3 hours, इनिशियल प्राइस $15. Stay tuned for the latest announcement on our Telegram group before buying coin. So guys, you should have to subscribe his channel and also follow the Twitter link I will give in the description and Telegram chat group also. So guys, here are some stats of the coin. Market cap is 214,910. So guys, total supply is 4,200. Total burn 0. New coin block 1.0. Max transaction amount 42. Transfer tax 0%. So here is the 0% to the transfer tax. Automatic liquidity, anti-whale 1%, harvest lockup 6 days, time lock contract 3% referral program. I will also give you the review on it, that you can make your referral link and join your friends and family on it and earn 3% referral bonus. Automatic burning. So here we are how we can trade it. So exchange, you have to connect your wallet on it and I understand import. You will check it out that coin will be added in it and you have to unlock your wallet and जो भी आप अमाउंट के BNB से आप ये कॉइन ख़रीदना चाहते हैं यहाँ पे आपने पुट करनी है और नीचे इसने आ जाना है, कनेक्ट वॉलेट करके उसे स्वैप कर लेना है. सो गाइज you will stake the coin from here. Liquidity, you can check it out from liquidity on PancakeSwap. So here are you can select your liquidity from here on the PancakeSwap by connecting your wallet. Coin forms. So forming countdown start. It's 3 days 20 hours 27 minutes. You can buy from here, unlock your wallet and stake the coin from here. So guys, this is a method you can unlock your wallet and buy from here. So guys, its lottery scheme is coming soon. You can earn from its lottery scheme also, and I will give the updates on it when it will be online. Here are the referrals, how you can create your referral link to join your friends and family. You can copy its link and go to your Trust Wallet D app. Here you put the link of that copied here and you will paste on D apps and you will on the page that you get your referral link from here. You have to copy it and share with your friends and family. You will earn 3% on it referral bonus. So guys, let's talk about its features. Harvest lockup. We use harvest lockup based on time. Harvest lockup is a unique rewards lockup mechanism used to limit the frequency of harvest. It is designed to prevent forming arbitrage boards from constantly harvesting and dumping. So guys, it's a anti-dumping mechanism that harvest lockup जो कि डंपिंग और हार्वेस्टिंग करते रहते हैं कॉन्स्टेंटली, उनको स्टॉप करने के लिए इन्होंने ये हार्वेस्ट लॉकअप बनाया हुआ है. So guys, its next feature is wallet forms. Introduction is that our biggest difference is that all deposited assets on the form will be managed by the wallet. The proceeds from the wallet will be used to buy back and destroy coin and increase the liquidity of coin BNB. In this way, the transfer tax is replaced and the loss incurred when the user trades coin is reduced. You will not notice these details when you deposit and withdraw, and the gas fee is only 20% higher than that of a normal form. Obtaining revenue is the place that spends the most gas, which will be handled by the development team. So guys, you can check it out, its feature from here. So guys, its next feature is automatic liquidity. The daily income will be used, 60% of which will be used to automatically add liquidity to coin BNB through the contract. All added liquidity will be automatically sent to coin locker to lock by the contract. So guys, it's a nice automatic liquidity feature from the CoinDeFi Finance. So guys, let's talk about the next feature, which is automatic burning. 40% of the daily income will be used to automatically buy back coin through the contract, and the repurchased coin will be destroyed, sent to this contract. It will be automatically burning mechanism. Here is the last but not least feature of the coin, anti-whale system. It's the best system of the feature of the CoinDeFi. Transfer more than 1% of the total supply will be rejected max transaction amount. As the total supply grows, this ratio will be reduced. You should check max transaction amount on the website before making a transaction because it's always changing. You can check it out from the CoinStat, that 42% max transaction amount. Before making a transaction, you should see the max transfer amount on our website. So guys, these were the features of the CoinDeFi Finance. Now talk about the PooCoin chart. So guys, here you can check out the amount of the CoinDeFi token, $50.5622. So guys, here also you can check out its PooCoin chart, that it is in the best place that you have to buy it. It will be a great benefit in the future if you buy it from in this stage, and its candle will increase from here to this stage, and you will earn more profit. Here are the some transactions history of the DeFi, that when amount जब इसकी जो है अमाउंट बढ़ जाती है तो आवाम इसको बेचना शुरू कर देती है. यू कैन चेक इट आउट, इट्स द विड्रॉल ट्रांजैक्शन एंड here is the hold and staking farming transactions. So let's talk about the next chart, which is on the Dex Guru chart. So guys, here you can check out the chart on Dex Guru, the DeFiCoin chart. Here you can check it out, the fluctuations of the DeFiCoin token, which is decreasing, but it will increase and touch the moon when it will on the stabilized position. And if you buy this on this stage, you will earn more profit in the future. So guys, let's talk about the listings of CoinDeFi on the sites which are that DApp Radar, DAppCoin.com, CoinSniper, BSC Scan. So guys, DeFiCoin is also listed on these platforms, exchanges. You can check it out from here, and more is GitHub, Docs, blog. You can check it out from here blog. यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि CoinDefi का जो ब्लॉग है इस यहाँ पे मीडियम पे दिया हुआ है, आप यहाँ पे चेक कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे इसकी डिटेल भी दी है, कॉन टोकन, कॉन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट चेन जो है BP20 है, इसका सिंबल जो है कॉन है। DeFiCoin जो है गिटहब पे भी लिस्टिंग हो चुकी है इसकी। यहाँ पे भी आप रेडिट पे चेक कर सकते हैं, इसकी रेडिट पोस्ट्स हैं, आप यहाँ पे भी इसको डिटेल ले सकते हैं। सो गाइस, डोंट फॉरगेट टू vote for CoinDefi on the coinsnapper.net. You should search here Coin. So guys, the review is ended. ये आज का जो है रिव्यू था CoinDefi फाइनेंस पे। तो गाइस, उम्मीद है आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए स्टे ट्यून्ड, अपना रखें ख्याल, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़।